The market is already saturated. I'm not going to file a patent on my invention. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. And this objection is common. People think, inventors think, you might think that your product, your idea is never going to make it. The market's already too busy. There's flooded with products and solutions that solve a similar problem. I'm just going to stop here. And they do. Way too many people stop. Just because the market is busy, because there's other products, other solutions out there, and they're afraid that they're going to fail. They're afraid that their product won't stick out. They won't be able to differentiate. And it's a valid question, a valid concern, but it really should not stop you. You should look further to see if what you've come up with is unique, is novel, non-obvious enough to warrant a patent protection. And even though that may be narrow, the fact that there is a lot of market demand in a crowded market, that just means that there's a lot of potential buyers for your product. And if you're able to find ways to show how it's different, protect the difference, you can make your way into even a really busy, competitive industry. Let's take a look at 3 examples. Travis Kalanick, Uber. So transportation was already owned by taxis, ride-share services all over, shuttles, you name it. And Uber thought, gosh, this is really busy, crowded, traffic, busy type of market. I'm not sure if we're going to get a patent on it. But it did. Early days Ubers, they decided to build their patent structure around the business integration, the software around systems and matching rides and mobile dispatching. And of course, as we know, Uber became the multi-billion-dollar company that it is today. Nick Woodman and the GoPro camera. So cameras were already dominated. You think of Nikon, Canon, Sony, you name it. Lots of manufacturers, camera technology, imaging, digital image, lens, all this, latest breaking technology, very busy. Woodman decided to focus, have a niche within cameras into action sports. And he patented the mounting systems and wearable camera housings for a new category, surfing, snowboarding. He made it cool. The same technology applied to a unique niche. And he was able to get a patent for the way it mounted, hands-free. So cameras were already owned by the big giants, but GoPro owned the action camera sub-market. Lejeune, this is Xiaomi. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but smartphones, right? Smartphones come up with a brand new smartphone. Apple, Samsung, right? Nokia, some of these these Goliaths of the industry. Xiaomi carved out space through patented hardware design and software integration strategies with their Android ecosystem. Xiaomi now owns a huge percentage of the market. They're not the biggest, but they're competitors, and they're making a lot of revenue and profit. So the smartphone market was crowded, but there was still room for protected innovation. No market is completely locked. There are always ways to do better, find ways to be different, and serve a niche audience within the market that already exists. So if you have questions about your product, you want to move forward, and this perhaps has inspired you, book a free discovery call on our website at boldpatents.com. We're here to help you. Take care, buddy. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.